Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the disappearing features on WhatsApp. So message disappearing features is a features that will be disappeared after you send the message. So it will disappear after 7 days. So how to use this feature and how to on these features on your message WhatsApp particular message. In this video I'm going to show you the full tutorial. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to Play Store if you're using Android, and if you're using iOS, go to App Store and make sure to update your WhatsApp. So after doing this, let me just go to WhatsApp, and then this is one of a particular chat. Just open a chat box that whomever you wanna disappear the message. So here, after going there, you have to simply tap on this name here on the top, and then here this type of interface will pop up. So now guys, here what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this disappearing message section, simply tap here and then click on this on option. So guys, after doing this, just go back and then it's done. So here, if you click on this message hi, and then this message will be disappeared after 7 days. So this is very pretty simple and easy to use. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to use the latest updated feature of WhatsApp. And if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.